This grass-like plant behind me is a Xanthoria quadrangulata. It's somewhat distantly related to asparagus. Because there's so many flowers on that spike, it's an inflorescence, that is a collection of flowers on a structure, that the amount of nectar it produces is quite significant, and the Aborigines, when they're in need of a nice sweet drink, are able to take that flower spike, dip it in water, and extract the sugar from it and drink the water, which is now tasty sugar water, or xanthoriate. You see that trunk? That trunk really isn't a trunk. Let me explain. One fascinating fact about the grass tree is that it's not really a tree. It's a plant that's sitting on a pedestal that it makes out of its old discarded leaf rings. The roots of the plant grow from the grassy crown down into the soil through this hollow structure left from its dead leaf rings. So this is not a trunk. It's not alive. It's a base. It's a fireproof, insect-proof, waterproof, rot-proof base. This plant produces a resin. The resin will flake off when it's being produced, and you can find it around the base of the plant. That resin is quite a strong glue. It's like a hot glue. Once it's heated, and once it's heated and applied and it cools, it stays on. It's non-water soluble, and it's used to attach spear tips and repair water vessels. These trees can be incredibly old. Some Xanthorias are 600 years old. Now these Xanthoria here were planted in 1951. That makes them about 60 years old. If you want to take a look at these fascinating plants, they're located at the north end of the road that circles the Arboretum.